What if I told you that JPMorgan just launched a token on a public blockchain while Israeli hackers destroyed $90 million from Iran's largest crypto exchange? The lines between traditional finance, geopolitics, and crypto have officially blurred forever. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this is your Crypto Pulse update for June 19th, 2025. Welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we deliver the essential insights you need to navigate the increasingly complex crypto landscape. If you're new here, I'm Alex, and twice daily we break down the most significant developments shaping the markets. Let's dive in. Bitcoin is holding strong at $104, down just 0.10% despite ongoing geopolitical tensions. Ethereum sits at $2,118, essentially unchanged, while XRP shows strength at $2.16. The overall crypto market cap stands at $3.24 trillion, with Bitcoin dominance at 64.7%. What's particularly interesting is how certain sectors are outperforming. DEX tokens up 5.02%, data tokens surging 9.69%, and LRT tokens gaining 7.60% over the past 24 hours. Now to our breaking stories. In a watershed moment for institutional adoption, JPMorgan has launched its JPMD deposit token on Base blockchain. Unlike stablecoins, this represents actual dollars held in regulated bank accounts with potential FDIC insurance. This is the first major U.S. bank to issue tokenized deposits on a public blockchain. Let that sink in for a moment. We've moved from banks banning crypto purchases to banks literally putting their assets on the blockchain. JP Morgan's $3.7 trillion in assets is now essentially one click away from on-chain deployment. Simultaneously, we're witnessing an unprecedented escalation in cyber warfare. Pro-Israeli hacker group Predatory Sparrow has destroyed $90 million from Nobitex, Iran's largest crypto exchange. Rather than stealing the funds, the hackers sent them to vanity addresses with anti-IRGC messages, rendering them permanently inaccessible. This comes amid ongoing missile exchanges between Israel and Iran, with both nations continuing military strikes. Remarkably, crypto markets have shown surprising resilience despite this escalation, with Bitcoin holding above 104K. In perhaps the most unexpected development, NASDAQ-listed biotech firm Eyenovia announced a $50 million investment in HYPE tokens. The company plans to rebrand as Hyperion DeFi while becoming a major validator on the Hyperliquid network. Their shares surged 136.4% following the announcement. This dramatic pivot from iCare to crypto represents a new trend of public companies diversifying into digital assets. We're not just seeing institutional adoption, we're seeing complete corporate transformations. On the regulatory front, the Genius Act has passed the Senate with strong bipartisan support, 68-30. This comprehensive stablecoin framework now moves to the House of Representatives, with potential signing before the August recess. These regulations could provide clarity for stablecoin issuers while potentially benefiting bank-issued tokens like JPMD. Looking at market internals, we're seeing significant sector rotation. DEX tokens up 5.02%, data tokens surging 9.69%, and LRT tokens gaining 7.60%. This rotation suggests investors are prioritizing infrastructure and liquidity protocols over speculative technology plays, with the AI sector down 3.50%. So here's the question. Is JP Morgan's JPMD launch on Base a watershed moment for institutional blockchain adoption? With traditional banking assets now entering public blockchains, we could be witnessing the beginning of TradFi's mass migration to blockchain rails. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for your twice-daily Crypto Pulse updates. For those looking to dive deeper, check out our Depth Charge newsletter, where we explore these developments in greater detail. This is Alex with Moonward Capital's Crypto Pulse for June 19th, 2025. Stay ahead of the crowd, and I'll see you in 12 hours for our next update.